Today I'm going to walk you through how you can achieve earnings like these, and we're diving in right now. Recently, while researching faceless YouTube channels for inspiration to start my own, I stumbled upon a surprising discovery. There's a faceless channel that's simply sharing adorable and funny animal clips, and people just can't get enough. They've only uploaded 42 videos, yet look at their subscriber count over 1.1 million. That's an impressive number, right? Even more surprising, they launched just a year ago. If we check their earnings on Social Blade, we can see they're pulling in over $3,000 monthly from uploading these simple videos. If you sort their videos by popularity, you'll notice they get a lot of views, showing that this niche still has a lot of untapped potential. We can replicate their success and earn similar amounts. The best part: you don't need to create your own animal videos. I'll show you how to find and use videos without copyright issues, allowing you to monetize them across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It's easier than you might think, so hit that like and subscribe button, grab a drink, and let's dive in. First, we need to find some cute animal videos, and for that, we'll use Chinese apps. There are several popular ones like doing the Chinese version of TikTok, Kuaishu, and Xiaohongshu, all of which have plenty of animal videos. For this tutorial, we'll use Xiaohongshu, but feel free to choose whichever app you prefer. To get started, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll need to register using a VPN if it's not available in your region. After registration, you'll be greeted with an interface where you can select up to 4 interests. Here's a quick tip: make sure to select pets and animals first before choosing the other 3 interests. Trust me, you'll see plenty of animal videos this way. You can also explore more by choosing pets on the Explore page. Look for videos with high views and engagement, preferably over 100,000 views. For this tutorial, let's find 2 videos, one with subtitles and one without, so I can show you how to remove Chinese subtitles. I found this video, which is quite engaging and has no subtitles, so let's download it as our first video. To download, tap the share icon at the top right, then tap copy link to save the video link to your clipboard. Next, head to the video description and click the download link. You'll land on a page with download options for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. In the top menu, you'll also find options for various Chinese apps like Douyin, Kuaishu, and Xiaohongshu. This tool is entirely free, fast, and doesn't require you to sign up or log in. I'll choose the Xiaohongshu option since I copied the link from that app. Paste the link here and hit submit. As you can see, this is the video thumbnail, and you can save it as an image if you'd like, but that's not what we're here for. So let's click the save video button to download the video to your device. Now let's find another video with subtitles and download it following the same steps. The next step is to repurpose the videos we've downloaded by adding some humor and originality. First, let's create a funny caption or subtitle for the first video. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a humorous caption. A trick I use is to describe the video scene to ChatGPT and ask it for a short, funny caption. I'll leave the prompt I use in the video description. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us with several captions in seconds. You might wonder why we're adding a caption. Well, adding a humorous caption makes the video unique, original, and more engaging. Viewers will find it more entertaining and are more likely to comment and like. Now that we have our caption, the next step is editing the video. Don't worry, it's simple. We're just going to add some unique elements and place our caption on the video using CapCut, a beginner-friendly, free-to-use tool. Open CapCut and start a new project by clicking the plus icon. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for short-form content like YouTube Shorts, and hit save. Import the video by clicking the plus icon, adding it to the timeline for editing. Since this video doesn't have any captions, we'll mute the original sound to avoid copyright issues and add our own audio and captions. To mute the sound, right-click the video, select Extract Audio, then delete the audio track. Now, let's add your own audio. Click Audio in the top menu, select a commercial track, and add it to the timeline by clicking the plus icon. If the audio is longer than the video, trim it to match the video's length by dragging the playhead to the end of the video clip, selecting the audio track, and hitting W on your keyboard to cut it. Next, let's add the caption. Go back to ChatGPT, copy one of the captions, and paste it into CapCut by selecting text from the top menu and clicking the plus icon. Customize the font style, size, color, and any other settings to your preference. Once everything looks good, save your project by clicking Export, choosing 60 FPS for the frame rate, and hitting Export again. Now, let's edit the second video, the one with Chinese subtitles. Import the video and add it to the timeline as we did before. To translate the Chinese captions into English, take a screenshot of the first scene with text. Use the Windows key print screen to do this. Then use an online tool to extract the text from the screenshot and translate it into English. You can use Google Translate or ask ChatGPT to translate it for you. Let's try both and see which one gives a better result. Paste the extracted Chinese text into Google Translate to get the English version. Now let's use ChatGPT and see what it provides. The translation should be similar, but I'll use the ChatGPT version for this tutorial. Copy the translation and head back to CapCut. Before adding the caption, notice the video has a voiceover, so we'll need to add one as well. To add a caption, go to text and paste the translated caption. Customize the font size, style, color, and make sure it's not too large on the screen. To cover the old caption, add a background to the new caption by selecting from the available presets. Once you're done, if there's another caption in the video, repeat the screenshot, text extraction, and translation steps. After a few minutes of editing, check the final results to ensure everything looks and sounds good. Now that you know how to create these videos, it's time to take action. Start your YouTube Shorts channel today and begin uploading. This niche has immense potential, and with consistency, you can achieve great success.